Hello, how you doing? We're going to make this fish today. It is very, very simple. This is kingfish. And yeah, it's in India, probably the king of fish. A lot of people love this fish a lot. We've got some lovely masala we're going to put on there and simply fry it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got half a cup of oil there. You can use any oil you want. I'm using a corn oil. 1 teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, garam masala powder, chili powder, turmeric. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and the juice of 1 lemon. We're going to give all of that a mix. So in there I've got the half cup of the oil, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, and then take another look, shall we? Equal parts, 1 teaspoon each, salt, pepper, turmeric, garam masala and chili powder. You can adjust this however you want. And if you wanted, add some more lemon maybe. Little mix, we're going to make this little kind of masala for this fish. So the masala's done. Let's take a look at our beautiful fish. This is kingfish. It's a very, very famous fish in India. It's a beautiful, beautiful fish. Sort of like a swordfish maybe. It's very similar to that. So if you can't get kingfish, swordfish would work really well. That is about 600 grams, so 1.2, 1.3 pounds maybe. It's a beauty. Very simply, we're going to pour that masala all over that fish. So I've put the fish, it's quite large. I mean, you can see my hand there, it's, it's about the size of my hand. I've put it in there. We're not going to cook it in here, just keeping it in there for the marination process. So all that goes in. We're going to wrap that around. I'm going to flip that over a couple of times so we get the marination all over this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this in the fridge. If you can leave it for a couple of hours minimum or overnight is wonderful. So let me get on with that. I'll see you in a couple of hours or maybe tomorrow. Okay, good afternoon, good morning. Right, what we've got here is a pan. You're going to need a skillet or a wok type thing like I've got. Here we go. The heat is on medium. Just put that on. We're going to grab this big boy and we're going to drop it in. It's very simple now. We're just going to cook this maybe for about 4 minutes aside. Going to get that marination in. Yeah, we're not going to have it up too high, medium. I'll be flipping it quite a few times. Job done. It's really easy and super, super delicious. Beautiful. Off goes the heat. Half a lemon just at the end. Ready to serve. Absolutely super fantastic. All right, there you go. Really, really simple that is, and it really is super tasty. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.